students, welcome back to Supergrads YouTube channel. I am Komal and today we are here to discuss a very important form, that is GIPMAT, and it was a very much awaited form also. So without without wasting any time, let's begin with the form filling process. The first step would be going to the Google NTA website and then clicking on the registration for GIPMAT. Once you click here, you have this page open in front of you where you have to start with the new registration process. Once you click here, you have all the details. They have mentioned the fees information also. Category wise, for general category, it is 2200. For reserved category, it is 1100. And if you belong outside India, then it is 11,000 for NRI students. Read all the pointers carefully so that you are aware what you're how you're going to proceed for the form filling process. Once you read everything, click here to proceed. Now, once you click here, you get this page open in front of you where you have to fill your basic details, that is your candidate name, father's name, mother's name, your date of birth, gender. Again, refill the details just for the confirmation. Then you have the address. So fill your present address as well as your permanent address. Then you have an option to choose a password. This is the registration process basically. So choose a password for yourself, confirm. They'll ask you a security question in case you forget the password. Give the answer, move forward. And enter the detail and submit. Once you submit, you have all the details that you have filled in front of you. Just go through the details, click on the check boxes that you have read all the details that you have filled carefully, move forward. The mobile number which you have updated there, make sure that the mobile number is correct because you are going to receive an OTP there. The OTP received, submit the registration form and move forward. Now the registration is complete, we'll move to the application form. Once everything is done, fill up the application form. You get your application number over here. Move forward. Again, the details which you filled while doing the registration will automatically be visible here. Just update your nationality, the state you reside in, your category. Are you diabetic? Where do you stay? Your family income and the mode of preparation. Whether you self-prepared or you chose to go to a coaching institute, just mention there. And then you have your detail if you have any disability. Select if you have, if not, then move forward. You have this detail in front of you where you have to update your Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card is basically your what do you call the identification process. Put your Aadhaar card number over here. You'll get a OTP on your Aadhaar card once you update the Aadhaar card number. Fill in the OTP and move forward. If you have an APAR ID, mention yes and fill the ID number. If not, then select no and move forward. Okay, cities, before exam cities, you have an option to fill your educational details. That is your 10th detail and your 12th detail. So select the status, the year of passing, the college, the school which you went to, the board, whether it was Maharashtra board, MP board, CBSE board, select all the details over here and click on submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you have this examination center option available for you. Select the city if preferred city. They have given you multiple options, that is 4 options for you. So select the city which you think is near to where you stay currently. Then after selecting the cities, they have asked you for 2 documents. One is photograph and one is your signature photograph. While uploading the photograph, keep in mind the minimum size and the maximum size. Once you do that, upload and move forward. You get this here, CAPTCHA, and then just update it and move forward. You have this online review online page open in front of you. Again, go through it carefully so that the final before the final submission, just go through all the details. There is one option of live photograph also. So once you click there, the camera will automatically be opened. So use your laptop or your desktop, which has a webcam inserted, so that the photo can be captured. Then click on the declaration, I agree, and move forward. Once you do this, you have the application form is complete and the status is available here. Now you have to verify your email ID. To verify your email ID, click over here and you'll receive an OTP on your registered email ID. Put in the OTP and then the registration will be done. Your mail ID will be registered. And now the final procedure is that you have to pay the examination fees. Click on pay examination fees. Select the mode of payment. They have given you only one option, that is the online payment. Proceed for the payment, and the form is done. This is all from my side, students. If you have any doubts or you are stuck somewhere, just comment down below and we are here to help you. I'll see you again. Thank you.